Hello friends and welcome to Angel Tattoo Design Studio, a place where you can get your own dream tattoo, tattoo aftercare and tattoo. Hello friends, we all love flowers, so it's always a good idea to get a tattoo of flower. Flower tattoos mainly represents nature, peace, beauty and life. They also represents like love between two people. You may will find different meaning of same flower in different cultures. In some cultures, it's a direct symbol of God's contentment. Flowers are symbols of devotion to God. In most of the cultures you will find a perfect design concept for peace lover, and so it's a kind of design you can always carry for the lifetime. Roses, clover flower, hibiscus and lotus is among the very common tattoo designs. Or you can choose any flower of your own choice. I remember a client walking to our shop with a photograph of a chameleon flower from her own garden. So this is also an idea that you can take a picture of a flower in your own house and you can carry it with you for a tattoo. Here you can see some flower tattoos made by me in my shop in Gurgaon. And when it comes to design, it's always good that you give yourself like good enough time to search a good design for yourself. Just to go to Google or to Pinterest, and I'm sure that you can find some good options for yourself even prior visiting to the tattoo shop. Though most of the tattoo you will see here are in colors, but you can also go with shading flower tattoo. They also look nice. Friends, you can also visit our website. There also you can find like a lot of information about tattoos, tattoo designs, prices and aftercare as well. And if it is your first tattoo, I assure you it's a very simple process to get a tattoo done. Pain is not that concern, like usually like the first comer they ask about the pain part. I assure you it's a very simple process. Reason being like machines, needles are far better now, so you can easily go for a tattoo. And friends, if you haven't got any tattoo on yourself before, and if you have any concern about like how to take care of your tattoo, I assure you again it's again a very simple process, and you have to take care of your tattoo like a minor wound or a minor scratch, and the first week is more precautionary. And if you have any concern, you want to know anything about like tattoo aftercare, you can go to our website. It's tattooinindia.com. You can find like tattoo aftercare page there, and or even you can go to my YouTube channel which you are looking at. Go to the playlist Tattoo Aftercare. There you can find like a lot of information like how you have to take care of your tattoo on the first week and onward. And friends, talking about the prices of tattoos varies from shop to shop, from sometimes within a shop also, from artist to artist. Maybe two artists in the same shop, they won't charge you the same price for the same design, depending upon their expertise as well. So it's always a good idea if you work on your design first. Like I mentioned you go to Google or Pinterest, find a design for yourself, like 2-3 options, share the design with the artist, with the shop, and I'm sure they will give you the like a price, the quote of the tattoo. To consider a very rough estimate, you can plan a small size rose tattoo, flower tattoo in like between like 2,000 to 5,000 rupees. That's for a small size tattoo. And for a medium size, price range goes like 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. But the best procedure is work on your design first, share it with the artist and get the price quote. And friends, do not go for the price negotiation. The reason being, tattooing is a art, it's a work of hand. So artists won't be going in price negotiation. Whatever price they are giving based on their expertise and the kind of work they are planning in their head to give you. So it's always a good idea, work your design and get a price. And if it suits your pocket, suits your budget, you can go ahead with the tattoo. But do not go in the price negotiation. And friends, if you are living in Gurgaon or nearby, you can always contact us for the tattoo services, and we will certainly help you with the tattoo design, price and appointment. Thanks for watching this video. This is Sati from Angel Tattoo Design Studio, Gurgaon. Bye for now and see you again with a new video with new work. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.